When it comes to effortless, versatile, and portable cooking, this Crock-Pot 6-quart cook and carry programmable slow cooker stands out as a reliable kitchen companion. Whether you're a busy professional, a culinary enthusiast, or someone who loves hosting gatherings, this slow cooker makes preparing delicious meals easy and convenient. Reasons to buy Crock-Pot 6-quart cook and carry programmable slow cooker. Large capacity, ideal for cooking meals for large groups or batch cooking. Programmable timer, offers flexibility with cooking times from 30 minutes to 20 hours. Automatic warm setting, keeps food at the perfect temperature until serving. Secure locking lid, prevents spills and messes during transport. Easy cleanup, dishwasher-safe components make cleaning a breeze. Versatile cooking options, suitable for a wide range of recipes and cooking styles. Energy efficient, low energy consumption without compromising performance. The Crock-Pot 6-quart cook and carry slow cooker boasts a sleek stainless steel exterior that not only looks stylish but also ensures durability. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for serving more than 7 people or cooking a 6-pound roast, making it ideal for family dinners, potlucks, tailgating, and parties. The oval-shaped removable stoneware insert is both microwave and oven-safe, offering flexibility in meal preparation and serving. One of the standout features of this slow cooker is its programmable digital control. The user-friendly interface allows you to set cooking times ranging from 30 minutes to 20 hours. This level of customization ensures that your meals are cooked to perfection, whether you need a quick meal or want to slow cook a dish overnight. Once the cooking time is complete, the cooker automatically shifts to the warm setting, keeping your food at the ideal serving temperature until you're ready to eat. Transporting your slow-cooked meals has never been easier, thanks to the secure locking lid with a gasket seal. This feature ensures that your food stays inside the pot during transportation, preventing spills and messes. Whether you're taking your dish to a potluck or a family gathering, you can travel worry-free, knowing that your meal will arrive intact and ready to serve. The Crock-Pot cook and carry slow cooker offers both high and low temperature settings, catering to a variety of recipes and cooking preferences. Whether you're making a hearty stew, a tender roast, or a savory soup, this slow cooker can handle it all. The warm setting is particularly useful for keeping your food at the perfect temperature for extended periods, making it an excellent choice for buffets and parties. Cleaning up after a meal is often the least enjoyable part of cooking, but the Crock-Pot makes it simple. The removable oval stoneware and glass lid are both dishwasher-safe, allowing for easy and hassle-free cleanup. The stainless steel exterior can be wiped down with a damp cloth, keeping your slow cooker looking as good as new. With an energy-efficient design, the Crock-Pot 6-quart cook and carry slow cooker operates at 240 watts at 120 volts AC and 60. This means you can cook delicious meals without worrying about high energy bills. It's an environmentally friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance or quality. The Crock-Pot cook and carry slow cooker is designed with practicality in mind. The cord storage feature helps keep your kitchen countertop clutter-free, and the intuitive digital controls make it easy for anyone to use, regardless of their cooking experience. The slow cooker's large capacity also means you can cook meals in bulk, saving time and effort on busy weekdays. Users have praised the Crock-Pot 6-quart cook and carry slow cooker for its reliability and convenience. The programmable timer and automatic warm setting are particularly appreciated for allowing flexibility in meal preparation. Many users also highlight the secure locking lid as a key feature for mess-free transportation. Conclusion: the Crock-Pot 6-quart cook and carry programmable slow cooker with digital timer is a versatile and reliable kitchen appliance that simplifies meal preparation and transportation. Its large capacity, programmable timer, and secure locking lid make it an excellent choice for busy families, home cooks, and those who love to entertain. Whether you're cooking a weekday dinner or preparing a dish for a party, this slow cooker delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Investing in this crock-pot means more than just purchasing a slow cooker. It's about embracing a lifestyle of convenience, efficiency, and delicious home-cooked meals. If you're looking for a dependable and user-friendly slow cooker, the Crock-Pot 6-quart cook and carry is an excellent choice that won't disappoint. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.